Hi guys, let's test our ISO that will come out in a few days. So in the meantime, I'm testing and you get a sneak preview. So the 1st of July will release the first official monthly release cycle. And then it's holiday. That means less on the computer, less response. If not, no response at all if I'm not behind a computer. So this is nothing new. If you want some, this is actually new. I can actually show this already here. Lots of things are missing. They're not. We just moved them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 applications that we have built with our, well, not only with Claude, but prior to that we've handmade it, right? We wrote the code ourselves. But things have been upgraded from GTK 3 to GTK 4. So all of those guys are in here. Kiro is the links where we are, what source we have, the websites and all that. And we left a few in here, the Kiro News and the Kiro Assistant, but all the rest, these three, are just the default, right? A browser, a terminal, and a file manager. What's also there is hidden away is the Calamares tweak tool. So if you're up to it and you want something more complex, then there are choices down here and system deboot, grub with encryption or not. All right. Keep it simple and stupid is my advice, and Belgian keyboard is my advice for the guys from Belgium. And let's take swap to file this time. I've been testing and testing. Right. So each time I take something different. Ooh, I forgot a tab. And off it goes. So what do we get on the ISO of the 1st of July? Let's quickly just have a look. So this is lean again. So all these applications are now in here and everything launches. But not only it launches, I want you to get to forget about desktop managers and move to a tiling window manager, right? So Ohmychadwm is by default installed. XFCE is by default installed. Both of them have Ctrl-Alt-S. The fish tool, tweak tool launches, right? So if you, well, that's one of them, right? There's Ctrl-Alt-I. ISO builder, if you want to build ISOs the way we do, but with a different NVIDIA driver or with a different kernel, it's just a configure, it's just a click the button and you have an ISO. There is the Ctrl-Alt-E, which is the tweak tool. It requires root, so in this case it's a live environment, so we are root already. So Arch-Linux tweak tool. So what do we forget? So this guy I and this is S. This is the fast fetch tweak tool. Did we allocate already a key binding? I don't think so actually. So everything should be launching at some point in time. That's the F from Firefox. So it's not that one. If we want to know, Ctrl Super S. Ctrl Super S. Let's see, there's no binding yet. Good catch. So in the first, we'll have a binding there. So the fast fetch variety is there. That's cool. So let's try again with tweak, for example. Ctrl-Alt-A, Alacrity tweak tool. Ctrl-A-Q, Alacrity tweak tool. That's because of the Azerty QWERTY thing. Fish tweak tool is S. So Spotify moved, but there is still Super F10 for Spotify. Ctrl-Alt-E. So we're missing logout, which is not a tweak tool actually, but it's there. Ctrl-Alt-L is new. Ctrl-Alt-L is this guy. Super X, that's the execution. A nice way to log out from our systems, anywhere, anything, 13 desktops, that works. And of course, opacity, icon size, you can see what it possibly can do for you. A little bit bigger, icon size a little bit bigger, or this one, save everything, Super X. So those apps are all combined here. So we need to make the Archlinks battle log screen had also a something, I think, Super Shift S again. Battle log screen has one, Control Alt R. That's the one we say that's ours, right? So in the future, all the tiling window managers will get the same key binding. Now it's the ISO concentrating on the release. So Ohmychadwm and XFCE are already loaded and we can restart. Okay. So choose. The reason being, if one fails or doesn't feel fast, you can switch. As long as you can boot, because then the Archlinks tweak tool, you can install 84 kernels and then you try the LTS or something else. Wayland is the trap the beginners fall into, right? Wayland is not working in XFCE. Ohmychadwm is, and XF session is. So that's upstream, nothing we can do about it. It's Archlinks that says, let's put it there. And you should avoid it. All right. First of all, new wallpaper, right? Next. We've seen this wallpaper. And then we have a look again. So you know about the reorganization, so Kiro and Kiro apps, but what else? You can make this bigger, drag a little bit down, so you see a little bit more. This will be installed, and everything that's installed can be removed. On board is there for people who have some trouble reading things, right? Control T, I see something red up there, so we update our system. And we have those guys coming in. Starship, this little guy up here, that's new. We are today on fish, right? Don't like it, to bash you go then, right? Simple type to bash, log out, log in, you're on bash. Or to ZSH if you're a fan of ZSH. Reason for fish is sudo pacman, for example, -q, q what? Q this, q that, q this, q that, right? You don't need to remember, you just need to look it up again. List the files owned by package. This is something I often do, right? Find me what is owned by Kiro and then the keyring. Well, so that's basically what we do. We put the keyring there with 3 files, and pacman knows enough. Super Q doesn't work, Super Shift Q does work. So killing a window. Control T, it's present, Super Shift Q, it's not. Super Enter, it's working, Super Shift Q, it's gone. Learn the key bindings, they're all here, Super Shift S. And then if you know these, you'll find it super fast and super handy. And at some point in time, you can make the step, right? The threshold. You can go to a tiling window manager and say, I know my way around because of the fingers, right? Finger memory. And that's cool. I see here something that's maybe it's interesting for you. We are used to pressing our enter button. Well, sorry, our Windows button, right? Nothing happens with the super key. Alt F1, there he is, right? If you must have the menu open, then there is the Alt F1. Escape, Alt F1. And then we go back to the rest of the stuff that we install. And it is intentionally a 6.5 gigabyte with all kinds of free and interesting software. And I'm gonna remove these guys here. I don't want them here anymore. They're now here, right? So as double and right changes. And Kiro apps and the multimedia is here. Office, not in office, you choose your office. Other settings. So 2 things to do for the release date. Voila. So that's, let's end here with a nice little logo and telling you again, guys, we're gonna go to Fish. Welcome to Fish. You'll enjoy it, you'll see. Because of one of the reasons is, of course, that we have the Fish tweak tool. And there are so many awesome things you can do with the Fish tweak tool. Plugins, prompts to change, really a lot of prompts to change. Themes, a lot of themes to install, right? Palettes, 530, I think 520 to install. It really is amazing. That's for some other video, right? As you can see, the slider is right. So many things, abbreviations and the settings, and off we go. So soon, the 1st of July, you'll get the official version. And now this is a sneak peek, basically sneak preview. Cheers.